Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how you can find your library folder on your PC. What I mean by library is not of course this library here, which of course has all your games on the Steam, but what I mean by that is where these games are downloaded, which is not of course here. They are downloaded in a folder in your PC. So for that we will go back to store for a second so I can explain super easily for you. For this we have to go to our settings, but settings are now locked because my family view is open. For that we will enter our family view pin and exit the family view. After exiting the family view, we can just go to our settings and see library, downloads, and storage here, which are all super useful for something like this. Library, of course, just depends on your library settings. It changes a lot, but we don't use them right now, right here. We can go to downloads to see our region, limit our speed and everything, but for this video, we need to go to storage. And of course, when you go to your storage, you will see your local drive C, which has my SteamVR and my Steamworks common folder. And of course, this is nice too, but this is not why I will use this today. As you can see, you will be able to see the folder location right here. C/program files x86/Steam. I can click 3 dots here and make it default or browse folder, which will show me the folder right here. But if you want to find where your games are, you need to go here. And if you don't have this, you can do add drive to actually add your drives, but I have all my drives added, so I will go to here and see that all my games are actually here, which is perfect, great, amazing. Because why? I can always see repair library, rename, or browse to actually see all my game files right here, which is of course why I need it in the first place. So I hope you will able to get your files like this, just like I did. So guys, I hope this video helped you a lot, and I hope you will have a great time, and I hope you will find your files easily, just like I did. If you have any questions, you can always ask them down in the comment section, and for any other thing, I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day, and goodbye.